Motown.
Orlando.
Let's see who's got it. Or not. The power of she call, that is.
Power 95.3.
60 seconds in a word we hook it up with Monday through Friday at 7:30 and 9:30 for the Coochie Calling ladies. We calling your man. You use that word and see if you can convince him to drop what he's doing and wake up and meet you up for that Coochie Call.
Our girl's confident.
You got the power this morning.
Yeah.
K-Town Kissimmee putting it down.
Oh, I got the power.
What part of town you representing today, babe? Yeah, because I heard Kissimmee. So what part of town you representing today, babe?
Hello.
Oh, she's still there? I think she's still on the line, right?
I don't know. Did she hang up?
Where you from, baby?
Orange Center,
There she
Pine
is.
Hills.
Who we calling for the
Pine
Coochie
Hills.
Call?
We calling my boyfriend, Marcus.
So, as we break into the first day of November with Thanksgiving right around the corner, this word would only be appropriate. You're going to ask for your man's turkey neck. You have to ask for your man's turkey neck.
I want to ask for my man's turkey neck.
Yep.
All right.
Let's do it. Let's give Marcus a call.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's my drug dealer's number.
All right, you want his turkey neck in less than 60 seconds, all right?
Okay.
Gobble with it. Gobble with it.
All right.
You love.
Hey, what you doing?
At work.
Hey, I was wondering if you want to give me some of your turkey neck.
Come back?
Your turkey neck.
Yeah, what's up?
You know what I'm talking about. Give me some of that turkey neck, boy.
Turkey neck. You want me to cook for you?
No. No. I want to know if you want to, come home and give me some of your turkey neck.
What's turkey neck?
Think about it.
Huh?
You know what I'm talking about.
I mean, it's some leftover turkey wings in the freezer, you know what I'm saying? You go ahead and warm them up when I get home, whatever. What you talking about?
No. I want the turkey neck.
Yeah, I mean, I'm at work, but I can leave
Can you
real
get
quick,
somebody
you
to
know
drop
what
you
I'm saying?
over here?
Yeah, let me run something by real quick to my boss man, and I'll be on the way.
All right.
Hey, don't play no games now.
I ain't playing no
She
games.
ain't playing no games, baby.
That
Let me
works.
tell you, hey. She's playing you on the Coochie Call. You're on the Obie Little Sean Show's Coochie Call.
Hello?
What up, dog?
Marcus, what up, man?
It's the Obie and Little Sean Show, man. Your girl said she had the power of the Coochie Call this morning.
Hey, I'm famous now, so I'm going to sign autographs. Number one. You hear me?
And you got the power, baby.
Hell yeah.
Today at 5 on Channel 9 Eyewitness.